vlog. Good morning, YouTube. Okay, so turn this down. Got my laptop back, which means we should be back to daily vlogs. Should. Hopefully, my laptop's fixed though. That was my issue. Chill. So it's 9:30. First appointment's at 10. So we gotta head to the shop. Got my little Dutch Bros. We're back to living life, baby. So, throw the Audi in reverse. I need to do my hair when we get to the shop. Throw the Audi in reverse and I'll see you at the shop. Okay, we're at the shop, got the hair done up a little bit. So got 16 heads to do today. It's gonna be a busy day, but we're gonna try to film most of it. Hopefully we might knock out a tutorial or two. We'll see how the day goes. But my 10 o'clock is running late, so I'll see you guys in a minute. Oh.
On point.
That fade though. That fade though. What's happening then? You dig? Marcus is up next. Let's go. Super windy if you can't hear me. Hang on one second. Okay, I'm in the car now. In the car now, I got a little bit of a break. My girl just texted me, said her Fashion Nova package is in. So, I gotta go grab that, and hopefully my square reader's at the house by then too. Ordered a new square reader. I want to do a review on that thing, see if it's worth the money. But yeah, let's go. Let's just go. It's been a couple hours. David's here for a haircut. And I'm charging my new square terminal thing. So I'm excited to show you guys this, see how it works. So it's charging up. And we get started. Real quick, I wanted to do a before and after on David's hair. This is before, clearly.
The hobo and then not the hobo.
And then we're gonna do after. Here's the after on David. We pretty much left the beard alone because it's cold outside. So slit.
Oh my god.
Relax. Kareem's fake Jordans. I'm playing. Kareem's in the building, light skin. I remember him from the video the other day. About to fade him up. Let's get it. I had to hook my man up with the beard.
I'm looking like Hobo Jones.
Little tapers with the beard. He's doing it. Look at the tapers.
He takes some
Neck taper.
No,
with the beard.
All you gotta do is wash it out.
Bam! Look at that. Boom. Haha. Yep. Okay, so here's the square register. It looks just like your phone, except for you take your chips here, swipe here, and the whole thing is, I think, is a magnetic, like where you can tap the phone to pay. But it's pretty dope. You guys can see some of my prices on there. What people are asking. But yeah, so this is pretty much it. It's pretty dope. You can print out receipts too, which is pretty sick. No receipt, paper receipt. So prints out the receipt, nice and easy. Just toss that. But I would recommend getting this. It's about 300 bucks, or you can pay $27 a month for it for a year. Equals 300 plus whatever their fee is. So check them out. I like it so far. And bam. Well, I forgot to vlog the end of my day, but I'm gonna use this and hit my cash out feature. Cash out on my Square app. Boom. Deposit my funds. I'm going home, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.